Welcome to my channel. Hi ladies! If your hair feels dry, damaged, or tired from coloring and heat styling, today I've got something truly special for you. I'm reviewing the Christophe Robin Regenerating Mask with Prickly Pear Seed Oil, a luxury treatment that promises to bring back silky softness, deep hydration, and that healthy shine we all love. Let's see if this mask really delivers salon-quality results at home. Christophe Robin Regenerating Mask. The Christophe Robin Regenerating Mask with Prickly Pear Seed Oil is an intensive, nourishing hair mask created to restore vitality to hair that feels dry, damaged, or chemically treated. This luxurious formula harnesses the power of prickly pear seed oil, an ingredient celebrated for its rare concentration of vitamins and antioxidants. By deeply penetrating each strand, the mask works to smooth the hair's surface, soften its texture, and bring back radiant shine. When your hair is exposed to coloring, bleaching, heat styling, or environmental stress, it can quickly lose its natural moisture and resilience. The result is dull, brittle, and frizz-prone locks that no longer look or feel their best. This regenerating mask acts like a spa treatment for your hair, giving it an instant boost of nourishment and long-term protection. Its rich yet lightweight texture envelopes the hair fiber, leaving it feeling supple, silky, and rejuvenated without weighing it down. With a carefully crafted formula free from harsh chemicals, this mask is suitable for all hair types, but especially beneficial for those struggling with dryness, split ends, or lifeless strands. The infusion of prickly pear seed oil not only helps to repair visible signs of damage, but also shields the hair from future stress. Each application transforms lackluster locks into hair that feels stronger, smoother, and more luminous. Benefits: smooths and enhances shine. The mask instantly improves the look of dull and tired hair, restoring a glossy finish that reflects light beautifully. Softens and nourishes. Prickly pear seed oil delivers deep hydration, helping hair feel silky to the touch and more manageable. Controls frizz. The formula works to smooth the hair cuticle, reducing flyaways and taming frizz even in humid conditions. Strengthens fragile strands. Regular use helps reinforce hair fibers, minimizing breakage and split ends caused by chemical treatments or heat styling. Restores vitality. Hair that once felt rough and lifeless regains bounce, elasticity, and a healthy, youthful appearance. Suggested use. To enjoy the full benefits of the Christophe Robin Regenerating Mask, apply it once or twice a week, depending on your hair's needs. After shampooing, take a small amount and massage gently throughout the hair, starting at the scalp and working all the way through to the ends. This ensures that both your roots and lengths receive the nourishing properties of prickly pear seed oil. Leave the mask on for several minutes to allow the ingredients to penetrate deeply, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. For an extra boost of hydration, leave the mask in for a longer period, up to 15 minutes, before rinsing. The result is hair that looks polished, feels silky smooth, and radiates natural shine. Whether you have color-treated, heat-styled, or naturally dry hair, incorporating this treatment into your routine will keep your locks looking healthy and luminous week after week. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.